Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Marathon, and right off the bat, I'm just going to say this game is not for me. This is my second extraction shooter that I tried. I tried Arc Raiders. That one's really not for me. I'm glad they had a free demo, so I don't have to spend money on it. Now, one of the things that really catches your eye, and a lot of people have been talking about it as if it's something negative, is you can see the art style is very simplistic. Dare I say, minimalistic. And everything is much lower poly than you would expect for a game of this size. And when I mean this size, Bungie is not a small indie company. They're a part of Sony, which has millions and millions of dollars to funnel into a game to make fantastic graphics, because that's what corporations are after these days. However, I think it's interesting that they wait with this art style, because this art style really serves a purpose. You can see the environment and all the objects are very low poly. And that lends well to this thing running on most systems. If you want to have a wider player base, especially on PC, where, most people don't have the highest end of PCs, including like graphics card and CPU and all that. So you may want to just keep texture resolution down, keep polygon size down. And I think that will allow this game to work on as many PCs as possible. And especially on console, it would allow people to run this at 60 frames per second. I think this should run at, I don't have a PlayStation 5 or anything like that, but this should run fine on a PlayStation given the texture resolutions that I'm seeing and the wise. And the way that I look at the polygon is everything is really boxy. It just have small bevels, and not all the things have a lot of bevels. So that means the resolution of each item on screen is actually lower. I'm not one that says that every game needs to look super realistic and superly high detail, because I'd rather a game performs well than have super realistic graphics. Now, I think the lighting, it works well. It has nice bounce light all over. Nothing seems out of place, overly bloomy. Now, the color scheme, I don't like. That's probably subjective. Maybe some of you like it. I personally don't. It's just too many saturated colors all the time. I think it's very distracting. Overall, I think there is a story in this game, and some of the contracts do have story beat from what I saw, which can be very interesting. But unfortunately, I would have rather this game was just PvE like Destiny, and the story behind it maybe would have been great, but they decided to make it PvP extraction shooter. I do think it's a decent game. After playing it, I don't think this game is gonna be Concord 3. I think Concord 3 is gonna be that Horizons games. But I don't know how this is going to work with Arc Raiders base, because from the looks of it, this is trying to capture that base that really is into extraction shooters. This isn't for casuals like myself, like not at all. You gotta be really into this kind of gameplay, and I know not everybody is, so we'll see, because probably Sony is expecting big numbers. The character design from the shots that you picked is not the most interesting to me. It's not inspirational. It's not very appealing. There's the robot, then there's the woman that looks like a circus clown, then there's the guy that looks like Marilyn Manson, and I don't know. It's just however they decide they would put this together. It doesn't work for me personally. Maybe some people will like it, but that is my opinion. So let me know what you think of Marathon. Are you gonna buy it? Have you tried the server slam? What are your thoughts on the art style? Do you think this kind of art style works, or it doesn't? You hate it? Let me know in the comment sections down below. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, because it really helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one.